Mumbai gets 200 millimeters rain in many parts as monsoon arrives earliest in 75 years, Met Department issues red alert. IMD Mumbai Yellow Alert, Mumbai Monsoon Update 2025. At 295 millimeters, IMD's Colaba observatory saw the highest rainfall during May, shattering the previous record of 279. 4 millimeters reported in the same month in 1918. 2 days after hitting Kerala ahead of schedule, the southwest monsoon marked an early arrival in Mumbai on Monday, the earliest recorded onset in at least the past 75 years. With some parts of the city recording over 200 millimeters of rainfall between Sund.